Hey y'all, we've got more things to unbox for today. I didn't expect this 24S order to come in, and it did. So I've already started unpackaging it. My camera was starting to go sideways, so I wanted to fix it and get started. So I'll show you all that again. This is the 24S.com partition packaging, and this is the 24S.com box. Wow. And we've got company, so I don't want to be rude and leave them in there too long, so I'm going to get this one done really quick. People are always going to be super busy. My family and friends a little bit farther away. So 24S.com. Oh, it's dropping out of the box. From Paris with love, Mademoiselle Rogers. And here she is. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I don't know if you'll be able to. See all this goodness. It is just beautiful. Just gorgeous. And I thought it would be brown and pink, but it's actually black and pink and kind of a mauve purple color. Which is fine. I think it'll go really good with my Neverfull and with the ballerina pink inside and the demi azure. And I'll also go with my black on front leather, double zip pochette, and other bags that will meet the family. And join our little happy family. So I think it is just a beautiful, beautiful piece. It was a really good deal on 24S.com. I got 10% off on it, which is unheard of, and at the price that it was when it was discontinued. And it is a discontinue for this particular piece. And let me get stuck here. It is a beautiful, beautiful pink. I think that will go with the ballerina pink. It's very neutral color pink. It's more like a baby pink. And it does have a little tag here that's still attached. And most people put this off. And with 24S.com, most of their pieces come from Paris or are made in France, Paris. So I'm sure this is. And I think that it'll be lovely and form so many ways and so many things. I don't want to get a little old lady with it. Okay. I'll find some cool way. But I'm thinking with I love my Ralph Lauren cashmere coat, and so I think I'm gonna go with this to keep the wool and the cashmere from rubbing my neck like it does, particularly when I have my hair put up. And all kind of things. I mean, I can just play with this thing for days. Surely I can. And being a little chick, it helps. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna find out what kind of ways to play with this thing. So, yes. That is the second unboxing of the day. I believe this is a 90. If you're wanting to know the size, I think that this is a 90. So that gives you any indication looking at these of what size a 90 is. It's huge. Again, I've seen some videos, and I recommend going online and doing that on different things that you can do with these. You can, there was a girl that made a top that was really cute out of it, but you can just tie it around and clip it that way. Or, I mean, they're just all kind of things that you can do with it. Particularly if you're a little girl, like I said, or a little lady, petite lady, you can always do the swan. And this is a pretty durable silk. I'm pulling and snatching and scratching and everything else. And I love it. That's why I wanted this one so bad, was because the ends are finished on it. So it won't unravel. And oh my God, I'm gonna get so much use out of this one. Because I gotta snatch them up. I'm so serious. This is just gorgeous. You know, it has a traditional trunk print. So, that is the scarf, and let me show you the key ring. I did start to do the unboxing for you. Of course, then once again, we got this cute little pop-up 24S packaging. And I wanted to show you a piece. It was funny when it came out. That's the reason I love to do these unboxings, so you can get back and look and see. But one of the pieces of foam was yellow with time. You know how they turn yellow with time? And that's the first time I've ever seen them put foam in there, and I realized that this is an over piece. But yeah, that was kind of odd, you know. But anyhow, that's the that. And of course the tag. And it's the Rio de Janeiro keychain. And it has Louis Vuitton printed on the hardware here, and here. There's no mistaken. It's got the big LV. This is from the Escape. Is that it? Or Escape? Escape collection, and I wanted something in these colorways, in this collection, from this collection, but I couldn't justify buying a whole piece because of the Spring Neverfull that I purchased has a lot of the same color, and it was just too close to me right now to indulge in those pieces. So I got this to go on the black cosmetic pouch. And maybe I think this would look good on the Demi-Jour Neverfull. So we'll try it and see and let you know how it goes. And it has a little clasp there, goes in and out. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but it is embroidered. And it does have in silver here, Louis Vuitton Paris. But I'll let you take a look and see what that says. But yeah, this is really cute. Really, really happy with these. Done really well. So, alright guys. Thanks for watching.